What if I told you that you can build an AI system that automatically finds high quality leads, verify them, extract their names, company info, and even fetches emails and phone number without ever touching LinkedIn manually? In this video, I'm going to walk you through how I built this fully automated AI lead generation system using n8n, OpenAI, Google Sheets, and the BetterContact API. This is your step-by-step blueprint to scaling outreach without hiring a team. Here's the full flow. It's organized into 4 parts: find qualified prospects, filter leads using AI, extract clean contact info, get real emails and phone number using APIs. We start with a chat message like find restaurants owner in Toronto. An AI agent turns this into a structured filter using OpenAI. So what this AI agent node does is it has a connected memory, an OpenAI LLM model, and a structured output parser. It extracts the job title, location, and industry from the input using the language model and responds into a clean JSON format like this. Now that our AI agent knows what industry, job title, and location to look for, we use an HTTP request node to search Google. We use the Serper.dev API, which let us stimulate Google search results in a JSON format. Serper.dev is a search API that returns real Google search results in a clean, structured JSON format. It is perfect for scraping LinkedIn profile links, blog posts, or news mentioned without any manual browsing. So how you can get a Serper API key? First of all, you have to go to Serper.dev and sign up using your email. You will get 2,500 free monthly credits, more than enough for most use cases. Once signed in, you will see a dashboard. Click API in the top right corner and copy your key. You can either configure this HTTP request node manually or automatically using Serper's curl import command, which is faster and reduce errors. Here's how you can do that. Go to Serper's dashboard, click on the playground, select search type, and copy the curl command. Go back to n8n, and here you click import curl in the HTTP node, and it will autofill the fields for you. For the query parameters, drag in the output from your AI agent node, that is, for example, job title, location, and then paste your API key into the headers here. This will return about 10 search results. Usually LinkedIn profiles are for restaurant owners or founders. To fetch more results, you can either use a loop node or schedule the flow to run every 5 minutes. Now that we have the data in an array, we need to process each lead individually. This is why we use a split out node to separate them into individual items. After that, we use another AI agent node to verify the contacts matches our criteria. If it matches, it returns true. If not, it returns false with a reason. We then log all leads into Google Sheets using the Google Sheet node, or it can be your CRM as well. Next, we add a filter node to let only the qualified leads, those with the matches is equal to true, will pass forward. Now that we have a qualified leads, we use another AI agent node to extract the first name, last name, and the company. It uses the data from the previous nodes and converts job titles and snippets into the clean structured data. Once extracted, we log this information into Google Sheet using the insert sheet node. So now we have filtered quality leads and extracted their names. We move on getting authentic contact details like phone numbers in emails using the BetterContact API. Go to BetterContact and sign up with your email. Click on API cockpit in the sidebar. Before copying your API key, click See Documentation, scroll down to get the phone number section. Copy the curl command for the post request, just like we did with the Serper. In n8n, import this curl command into an HTTP request node. Paste your API key there. In the body, send first name, last name, LinkedIn profile URL, and the company name, and that all from the previous nodes. Once you click Setup, you will likely see a message like this, processing, and will push the result to your webhook. That's because BetterContact processes results asynchronously. That means once it finds the email or the phone, it will send the results to your webhook automatically. So now we add a webhook node in n8n to wait for the BetterContact response. Copy the test URL from the webhook node, and this is where you pattern. Go back to your HTTP request body and paste this as a webhook callback. Once BetterContact returns the contact data, email, and phone, the webhook node is triggered. Then we use the Google Sheet node to update the correct row using the LinkedIn profile as the unique ID. This lets us unrich each row in real time hands-free. That's it, and there you have it, a complete AI-powered lead engine. AI finds and filters ideal leads, scraps data from Google, enriches leads with the real contact info, and automatically logs everything into the Google Sheets or your CRM. If you want the full workflow JSON, all prompts, and the sample Google Sheet templates, join my free Facebook group. Like, comment, and subscribe if you want more AI-powered workflow breakdowns like this, and join our free community to get feedback, ideas, and even client-ready automations.